CrPC versus BNNS, victim and the accused rights. CrPC provides basic protection for both the victims and the accused and not specifically address evolving needs of the victim and rights of the accused, whereas BNNS places greater emphasis on the rights of the victim by providing support and compensation. It also ensures right of the accused by giving timely trial and protection against unlawful detention. Investigation and prosecution. CrPC outlines traditional procedure for all the police investigation and lacks guidelines for modern crimes such as cyber crimes, whereas BNNS updates investigation and prosecution, including guidelines for handling modern crimes and digital evidence. It also provides efficient coordination between law enforcement agencies and public prosecutors. Special provisions for certain crimes. CrPC applies broadly to all the criminal cases without any special provisions. Okay. And whereas BNNS includes special provisions for dealing with specific types of crimes such as organized crime, cyber crimes, and crime against women and children with tailored procedure and expertise. Thank you. To learn